What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. So we're starting to see a little bit of movement for BTC, not much, just a little bit, sitting at 25.6K. Market cap 498 billion, down 0.49 on the day. Same market cap of 24-hour volume of 10.46 billion. So we are breaking this wedge just a little bit here. So we may starting to come down in the wave 5. Now, if we end up breaking that invalidation level of 24.7K, which would invalidate a 1-2 setup, then we are looking to come down to that next strong support, about 23.9K to about 22.4K. That's if this level breaks about 24.7, 24.8, which would invalidate a 1-2 setup. As you can see, we did strongly get rejected by the daily EMAs. So we need to bounce very, very soon if we are going to see a larger push to the upside. But there is quite a bit of liquidity down here, so there is a good chance of coming down to the 23K range. As the DXY continues to push up, we could easily push all the way up to 106. And we may see a little bit of pullback soon, but I do think the higher probability is continuation to the upside to 106 or possibly 108, which could lead to more downside for BTC, potentially to that 23K range, unless we can break this low and we start to see a large bounce to the upside. That's when we could see a straight breakout, because this 1-2 setup would hold. I'll just quickly let it load here, where we pushed up in a wave 1, pulled back in a wave 2. If we were to break that wick and then start to bounce without invalidating, and we break this trend line, then that could be considered a bullish move and a breakout to the upside. But until then, I do think there's a pretty decent chance of coming a bit lower to 22 to 23 to the high 23Ks. We'll have to see how everything plays out. You can gain access to my signals group for $10 a month. We trade crypto and Forex. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange. Then email me your sign-up email and you'll receive the 14-day free trial. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Sign up to the Patreon. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, how to all place Forex signals and analysis as well. We're currently in a trade for gold. We got a trade set up for silver. All links are in the description. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.